Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel to count cells. We'll start by looking at the fundamental functions that allow you to quickly tally up your data. Whether you need to count numbers, text, or any non-empty cell, Excel provides straightforward tools. We'll cover the basics and then move into more advanced techniques for conditional counting and identifying unique entries. This will help you gain valuable insights from your spreadsheets. Let's begin with the two most common counting functions. The count function is perfect for tallying cells that contain only numbers, ignoring text or blank cells. For example, if you have a column of sales figures, count will tell you exactly how many numerical entries there are. On the other hand, count accounts any cell that is not empty, whether it contains text, numbers, or even error values. It's a great way to see how many data points you truly have. Now, let's explore how to count cells based on specific conditions. The COUNTIF function allows you to count cells that meet a single criterion, such as counting all sales over $100. If you need to apply multiple conditions, COUNTIFs is your go-to. For instance, you could count sales over $100 made by a specific salesperson. These functions provide incredible flexibility for detailed data analysis, helping you pinpoint exact subsets of your information. Finally, let's look at counting blank cells and unique entries. The countBlank function is straightforward, simply tallying all empty cells within a selected range, which is useful for data validation. Counting unique values is a bit more advanced, often requiring a combination of functions like SumProduct and COUNTIF or a helper column. For example, you might use a formula to determine how many distinct product names appear in a list of 1,000 items. These techniques offer deeper insights into your data's structure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.